Hello everyone. You know what? Yesterday I just had an idea and I thought, you know what? I want to share this with the community. So what I decided to do is to create a Divi design challenge. So as you know, we're on this lockdown and not a lot of us are out there, out and about and working. So why don't we do something really exciting and see how we can become creative? So the Divi design challenge pretty much is us designing a layout based on colors and images. So let me show you how this is going to work. So first of all, we're going to need a color palette, and right now I've added a color palette here. Now, by the way, if you go to the link that I'll provide in the video description below, you can get access to the post, which will have the palette and also the images that are going to be used in this Divi design challenge. All right, so this is the color palette. So these are the colors you need to use for the design. And I've also added a link here to Lorem 2. And I'm sure if you've seen some of my tutorials, you'll see that I use a lot of dummy text. But if you want to use real text on this page, yeah, go ahead and do that. It can be also very, very exciting for us. The next thing I want to talk about here is the images that we're going to use throughout this Divi design challenge. So you have to use these images. So that's image 1, that's image 2, that's image 3, that's image 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these are the images that we're going to use, and also the font we're going to be using for this is Poppins. This is my favorite font, and again I use it over and over again. So I want to see what you guys can come up with these few elements. So here you have the color palette, the font is called Poppins. You're going to be using that throughout the design, and you have the images as well. So I want to see what you can come up with. So you don't have to do a fully fledged website. I only want to see one page, and you can only have a minimum of 3 sections. Okay, so the design has to have a minimum of 3 sections. So if you have 2 sections, to be honest, we won't even talk about it. It has to be 3 sections or more. You can use color, a combination of colors and images. Just basically go crazy, put your animations on there, anything that you want to do. But at the end of the day, you have to stick with the design principles. I really want to see how creative we can be during this time. So why don't you go ahead and try this Divi design challenge. I will be going and reviewing all these images so we can all share, and just, you know, keep sending all your links to your pages. So you can use this on an existing Divi website. And of course, I need to mention that we're only using Divi here. So you can use it on your own existing Divi website. So just create one page. You can call it Divi Design Challenge and then share that page with us. So you can either share this in the YouTube video comments or on the post, which is going to be on funnelstoincome.com. So those are the 2 only places that you can send your link to. So let's have some fun. Go ahead, design your page, and let's see how creative you are. All right, guys, that's all I have. Let's have fun with the Divi Design Challenge. See you soon.